Sales rep turnover is at an all-time high. So what is one way that you can keep your A and B players happy and giving you their best? Listening to them. An effective management and leadership style is one, I think, that promotes connection, because connection is something that we all want. And how do you achieve connection? Through effective communication. We feel connected in our work environment and in life when our needs, our wants, our goals, our motivations, and our challenges are heard, because then we feel understood. And a lot of times employees will give their feedback, but if it isn't being heard, they might make several attempts in trying to voice their thoughts and frustrations for a while with the goal of feeling connected. But ultimately, if what they're saying isn't being received, they're going to start to feel disconnected and they will begin to disengage. And even sometimes by the time an employee starts to speak up, to voice their frustrations, it's already too late. They've already started to disengage and explore other options, and they are preparing to leave your organization. Smart, positive, high-value people, meaning people who value themselves, they know their worth. And this is the kind of individual that you want on your team, because they likely have a strong work ethic and they have high levels of both self and social awareness. So they know how to treat their customers, your customers. And if this high-value A and B player doesn't feel like they're being heard, they're going to stop talking, they're going to disengage, and they're going to start looking for another job, one where in an environment where they do feel connected. High-value employees want to make an impact, and if we're not being heard and feeling connected, how can we make an impact? Great managers and great leaders are also great listeners, and you can keep your high-value A and B players on your team by paying attention and listening to their needs, their goals, their wants, their motivations, and even their frustrations. With sales rep turnover being at an all-time high, the solution to keeping your reps on your team longer can be as simple as focusing on what it is they want, and that is connection.